Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at changing your Reddit username. So Reddit is actually pretty strict on how you can change your Reddit name. And in fact, if you don't have an account that's connected through Apple or Google, you won't be able to change it at all. And in fact, it has to be within the first 30 days of creating your account. So if you've just created your account using Apple or Gmail, you can go ahead and click on the Reddit icon and bring that up. And once that's loaded, on the top right hand of the screen, you're going to see your profile. So you're going to click on that, and right down beneath it, it's going to say profile. So if you go ahead and click on that, it's going to ask you if you want to change your name. So go ahead and change your name to whatever you want. It gives you a random name, but you're going to want to make a name that is not already in use. So you may need to include some numbers in there to make sure that it's unique. And once you've done that, you go ahead and you've changed your username. Thank you for watching this video, and please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comments. Thank you.